Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection. Today we're going to talk about one of the most interesting and valuable coins in the 1-cent coin could change your life forever. That's right. The 1985 Canadian penny has captured the attention of collectors worldwide, with rumors swirling about a rare variant valued at a jaw-dropping $7.5 million. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the history, the secrets, and the truth behind this legendary coin. Could you be holding a fortune in your pocket? Let's find out in full details. Country: Canada. Period. Queen Elizabeth II, 1953. 2023 currency: Canadian dollar. Coin type: circulation. Coins denomination: 1 cent. Currency rate: 1 cent equals 0.01 USD. 1985 ruler: Elizabeth I. Composition: bronze. Edge type: smooth shape. 12-sided alignment. Metal: 0 degrees. Weight: g. 2.5 diameter. 19.1 thickness. 1.45. The Canadian 1-cent coin, also known as the penny, has a long and rich history. By 1985, the Royal Canadian Mint was producing billions of pennies. But what makes this particular year so special? It's all about the errors and rarities. During this year, a few coins were struck with unique characteristics that collectors are desperately searching for. Explain that 1985 marked the transition to more modern coin production techniques. Mention the low probability of minting errors due to strict quality control, but emphasize how even the smallest error can result in massive value. Coins with die errors, such as double strikes, missing details, or unusual markings, are extremely rare. Experts believe that a few 1985 pennies were accidentally struck with a unique die error that makes them worth millions. Most 1985 pennies were struck with a zinc core and copper plating. However, a rare batch was minted using pure copper, which wasn't supposed to happen. These coins weigh slightly more, and their distinct composition skyrockets their value. Proof coins are highly polished and made for collectors. A few 1985 pennies with proof-like qualities are believed to have slipped into circulation, making them extremely desirable. Have you ever checked your old penny collection? Let us know in the comments if you have a 1985 Canadian 1-cent coin. Your fortune could be sitting right there. Now let's get practical. Here's how you can identify if your 1985 penny is the rare and valuable one that use a digital scale. Rare copper coins weigh about 3.24 grams compared to the standard 2.5 grams. Look for doubling in letters like Canada or 1985. Rare pennies may lack a mint mark or have unusual ones. Suggest contacting a grading company like PCGS or NGC. Collectors trust certified coins, and grading can massively boost your coin's value. That you're probably wondering, where does the $7.5 million figure come from? Well, in recent years, rare error coins have fetched unbelievable prices at auctions. A similar Canadian penny sold for over $400,000, and experts believe a flawless 1985 error penny could break records, possibly reaching $7.5 million or more. If you think you have a valuable 1985 penny, here's how you can cash in. Platforms like eBay allow you to reach collectors worldwide. Visit trusted dealers to get a quick valuation. Submit your coin to renowned auction houses for the best chance of a high sale price. Remember, patience is key. Rare coins take time to sell, but are worth the effort. The 1985 Canadian 1-cent coin is a testament to how history and rarity can turn everyday objects into treasures. Check your piggy banks, drawers, or old collections, because you might be holding the next $7.5 million masterpiece. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Old Coin Z Collection, and don't forget to share your coin stories in the comments. Until next time, happy collecting.